Hi, Philip from TW White & Sons. We've been delighted to acquire this beautiful Mazda MX-5 RF 2-litre Sport Nav Launch Edition finished in machine grey. These are fairly unique, these launch editions, in that they come with these black multi-spoke BBS alloy wheels, piano black mirror caps, Recaro seats. Based on the Sport Nav, this car's in great condition, comes with rear parking sensors as well as this piano black rear spoiler. Car's had a sports exhaust, a BBR exhaust fitted to it, so it gives a very much more of a throatier roar to the engine note. Beautiful car, hasn't been valeted, come in like this, so you're seeing it raw. We have put it through the workshop. It's been serviced in accordance with manufacturer's recommendations. At TW White & Sons will take any car in part exchange against this unique vehicle. We will be as competitive as any of the online companies advertising on online or on national television, those that wish to buy your car. Please don't forget we're a one-stop shop, so we'll take your car in part exchange. We'll be highly competitive and sell you another whilst offering you industry-leading customer service. So this one is actually registered 4th of March 2017. It's done 29,700 miles. It's in great condition. You can see these unique Recaro leather and Alcantara suede seats, showing minimal signs of wear. Look at it, usually they go around here on the bolsters. This one shows minimal signs of wear. You've got this Alcantara suede goes over to the door panels here, and it's got electric windows, electric door mirrors. I would point out this is the RF version with the electric retractable hardtop section. Just sitting inside it, first banker switches we come to our lane departure warning system. Blind spot monitoring, which means it's got the safety pack. Blind spot monitoring is the icons in the exterior mirrors that warns you of somebody being in your blind spot. Tire pressure monitoring system, traction control. Sitting inside this beautiful vehicle, it's really well finished, this, and in great condition. So dip the clutch, you may as well confirm the mileage. Dip the clutch, press the engine start stop button. You can hear there a slightly throatier roar to the exhaust, and we're running out of fuel. Left hand side, confirm the mileage at 29,753 warranted miles. 0 miles underneath that, so we need to put in some fuel. 21 degrees Celsius outside, although it feels a lot hotter. So there you got your fuel gauge, fuel computer, mileometer reading, and above that your temperature gauge. In the center you got your speedo, your rev counter tachometer, I do beg your pardon. Right hand side is speedo. The little window you see in the center, big dial, the little window at the bottom right hand corner is your gear selector indicator. Tells you what gear to put the car into. Not that you need to be told how to drive one of these, they drive beautifully, which is indicative of the fact that this car is the world's best selling roadster for a reason. The gear change here through this, I'll just move this very short gear throws here, very precise. It's a beautiful car to drive. Rear wheel drive, inline engine in the traditional sense of the word, produces 160 PS, which is more than adequate for this vehicle, believe me. It's a very fast car indeed. So speedometer on the right hand side, as I've said, multi-function steering wheel. On the left hand side you've got integrated Bluetooth with voice control. You've got that info button which changes elements of this display. You see you've got 2 trip meters. Service is now due in 12,500 miles or 12 months, so it's ready to go, this car. 0 miles, we need to put some fuel in it, yes, okay. A and B trip meters, there you go. Wonderful vehicle. So integrated Bluetooth with voice control, info button, volume button, which controls elements of this in-car entertainment system. Right hand side is cruise control. Beyond that, auto wipers with variable speed on the intermittent, and auto lights here with fog lamp on the inner part of the stalk and indicators. It's a very simple vehicle to drive. I'm going to turn on the air conditioning because it is becoming very hot here. That's it. Okay, so coming down to this, before I go into this detail, let's look at this. Air conditioning, auto climate control. So you can stick everything in automatic, set the temperature, and it'll direct the air and adjust the fan speed according to the internal temperature of the vehicle, which you can hear now. If I want to come off this and adjust things manually, I just take it off the auto button and put it in here, and then wherever I want the air to go, it is self-explanatory there. Heated rear window, reset button for the air conditioning, shows that the air comes on, very simple. Beneath here, electric roof button, which I'll come into in a minute. Twin heated seats, 3-stage heated seats as well. USB plugins, SD card for the nav, and this wonderful Alcantara Suede gear lever surround, gear lever knob, which shows minimal signs of wear on it. I mean, look at that. The car hasn't been driven with any sort of, you know, it's been very well looked after. Just little indicators like that are proof how well this vehicle's been looked after. Main navigation wheel, which operates this. Surrounded that main navigation wheel's master volume. So there's two places you can adjust the volume from. One is your left hand side of the steering wheel, the other one is master volume. Favorites, star button, so you can set up favorites through your phone book, navigation, radio stations, etc. Back button, nav button, home screen, music. So at the moment we're in the home screen. Now when you're stationary in this car, you can adjust everything touch screen, but frankly I much prefer using this. As soon as you drive off in the car, the touch screen for safety reasons becomes disabled. So here we are, there's the home screen. First one we come to is FM radio, but this car also has DAB. You can see signal loss, so we have to go in and find the ensemble. So if you want to listen to, for example, Virgin Radio, comes up DAB, crystal clear sound, wonderful. Home screen, applications here. Well, yes, that's telling us we're low on fuel. Fuel economy monitor, that's all been reset. Vehicle status monitor. What I'm interested in is maintenance. So this car, oil change at 100%, it's just been serviced. Next service due 12,500 miles or 12 months, whatever comes soonest. So if you're doing 16,000 miles, you know, you need to get it done on mileage. Auto dimming rear view mirror there, so it's a really good spec. Home screen here, back integrated Bluetooth with voice control, you can connect up a phone. Satellite navigation, which is a really good system. You can put in your town, your address, town or postcode, set up a home address, favorites you can set up, look at history, where you've been, etc. Another really useful facet of this is places nearby. So like we want to find a petrol station, highlight fuel station, search the area, it comes up with a whole plethora of different options. Just highlight which one you want to go to, hit the enter button, and away you go. The nav will help you get there. Home screen again, settings, you can personalize this vehicle to set your own, for your own individual taste. Display we're looking at, you can adjust it between auto day and night modes. You can adjust the contrast, the brightness. Safety, it's got blind spot monitoring, as I've said before. Those are the icons in the exterior mirrors that tell you when somebody's in your blind spot, particularly useful in this car. Lane departure warning, another great safety feature. You can set up the warning parameters of lane departure warning. Any road with markers, it keeps you in that road, in that correct lane. If you veer from that lane, it'll warn you of that. You can set up the parameters of it. That's the whole purpose of this screen. Sound, it's got BOSE sound system, so you can adjust bass, treble, fader, balance. A BOSE audio pilot will adjust the sound level to compensate for any road or engine noise. Clock, you can adjust between 12 or 24 hours. Vehicle itself, you can adjust things like your door locks, walk away locking. You walk away with the keys in your pocket, the doors will lock. Indicator, you can adjust the volume of those and whether you choose to have a 3 flash indicator. Lighting, it's got high beam control, adaptive front lights, where it's where essentially the headlights will follow the direction of the car. Adaptive front lighting, coming home light, leaving home light, auto headlights on, you can adjust the sensitivity of that. Devices, network or Bluetooth management system, you can read it in Celsius or Fahrenheit, the temperature, distance in miles or kilometers. Home screen. Now, this car will come with 12 months Mazda approved warranty. You've also bleeping, you've also got rear parking sensors. Sorry, this car will come with 12 months Mazda approved warranty, encapsulating 12 months roadside assistance. Now the all important thing to do here is getting this roof down. So you got this switch here, and basically it takes the windows down. You can see there's a progress indicator here on the dash. Really good car, this really nice condition. Lovely exhaust note as well. Yeah, roof is down, finished in a machine grey. It's a beautiful car, this. And you can take that roof down in seconds and put it up again. I'm sorry about the background noise. If you want to find out more about this unique launch edition car, which comes with piano black exterior mirror covers, multi-spoke BBS alloy wheels, Alcantara suede and leather Recaro interior. It's done 29,700 miles. Like all these, it's had 2 or 3 owners, but don't let that put you off. These MX-5s, very much like that, but this one's a particularly nice, really good condition vehicle. I think we put some tyres on it in as part of our service here. It's also undergone a 101 point used car check, where we check everything: tyre tread depths, condition of the wipers, the vehicle's electrical systems, etc. If you want to find out more about this wonderful launch edition RF MX-5 2 litre 160 PS, please go on to our website, which is www.twhiteandsons.co.uk. Another really useful, before I go, useful part of this, only 500 of these were made, and you can see this is number 423. Come up in the pictures, but that's the advantage of this limited edition vehicle. As I say, go onto our website, www.twhiteandsons.co.uk. Thanks for watching.